I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. So I want you to know that this is a timeless reading. Kung kailan nyo po napanood itong video na ito, the message is meant to find you. Ano po? So I want you to know na um, this is also a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of it. So take what's only yours. So I'm seeing addiction, unexpected, and intuition. So nakakakita tayo dito na parang madaming pagbabago no ngayon kay person. Hindi man niya sinasabi, alam natin, damang-dama natin that merong mali no sa mga actions, probably sa patterns no ni person. Kung dati palagi siyang tumatawag ng ganitong oras, parang medyo ngayon nale-late na siya ng tawag or minsan madami ng mga excuses, no? Napapansin din natin na si person ay sabihin nating medyo um, nale-late or parang hindi pumapasok, either sa trabaho, sa school, um, marami ng pagkukulang. Um, wala tayong proof what your person is doing. Pero kasi parang sa sobrang kilala natin si person, alam nating may mali. And medyo kinakabahan tayo, no? Sa mga small changes, no? Na nangyayari kay person. Lalo na um, kapag naaapektuhan, no? Yung kanyang pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay. So, with the temperance, the Six of Cups, the Queen of Pentacles. So parang tayo pa mismo ang nagbibigay no, ng hindi ko sinasabing dahilan bakit nagkakaganyan si person. Actually, we are supporting our person sa kanilang growth. No? Chances are, baka kasi nagbibigay tayo ng allowance or binibigyan natin ito ng mga gifts. Whether, kasi the Queen of Pentacles is here, hindi lang ito basta-basta um, bigay or regalo. The Queen of Pentacles is not going to buy something that is cheap, no? The Queen of Pentacles is going to buy that is something worthy, expensive, no? Especially made for the person. But it felt like medyo tinigil natin kasi parang yung mga binigay natin sa kanya, hindi natin nakikita, no? With the temperance, siguro meron tayong mga questions, no? Kay person. Pero um, nakikita kasi natin na nililihis niya yung usapan, hindi niya masyadong binibigyan ng pansin yung mga tanong mo. In fact, meron ding mga mood swings ngayon si person. Sometimes sobrang saya siyang kasama, sometimes down yung kanyang energy. Sometimes your person is very mad, no? Parang hindi mo alam, saan ka nanggagaling? Bakit ganyan ang nagiging reaction mo, no? For a few numbers of you, baka kasi kinakabahan tayo, o si person ba gumagamit ng recreational drugs, no? So parang hindi naman, pero may mga pagbabago kasi 'no, again, na napapansin natin sa kanyang, demeanor with the Six of Pentacles and the Seven of Pentacles. For few numbers of you kasi with the Six of Cups in here, parang either ikaw mismo yung lumayo or umalis ka, um, or medyo tumahimik ka muna, hindi mo masyadong pinagpapapansin si person ngayon. With the Six of Pentacles, imbis na magpaliwanag si person, mas lalo siyang nagalit, 'no? Parang parehas kayo ngayon nag-aantayan sa isang, um, kunyari parang kasing sinabayan ka, 'no? Sabihin natin sabihin natin nung nagalit ka, aba, nagalit din ito. Aba, 'no? Parang meron din siyang mga aksyon at binabaliktad niya ang sitwasyon. Sandali lang, ha. Ano ba ito? So, ayan. So, parang ginagawa niya dito is parang feeling mo nga bina-bluff ka, eh, 'no? Um, ano ba kasi, meron ba talagang nangyayaring alam nating may nangyayaring kakaiba. Pero ang sa akin kasi is gusto kong diskubre or diskubrihin kung ano ito. Bilang isang marites tayo o ako na lang 'no, titignan natin. Um, with the Seven of Cups, so parang nag-e-explore ngayon si person. Madami siyang gustong gawin, madami siyang gustong i-try. Um, I think that your person here is also doing some mix and matches. Baka naman kasi pinagsasabay niya ang trabaho at isa pang trabaho or pinagsasabay niya ang trabaho at bisyo, pinagsasabay niya ang trabaho at ang relationship, which I feel like hindi nagiging balanse. There are people who can manage, no, to do tasks at the same time, no? So parang nagmo-multitask sila pero parang si person parang hindi niya yata kaya yung gano'n. With the Seven of Cups, puwede rin naman pinagsasabay niya kayo, 'no? Let's see, the Four of, Cups and the Six of Swords. Ah, so may bumabagabag sa kanya kasi meron ditong lumalapit na energy. Now, I'm going to use the word energy because of it can be a person, it can be an event, or it can be something na um, sitwasyon, no? Parang inilalapit sa kanya, lumalapit sa kanya with the Four of Cups, tinatanggihan naman niya at first. Pero anong nangyari? I want to clarify the Four of Cups, the Chariot, and the Death card. So, let's say, dati niya na 'tong ginagawa. Huminto na siya, binalikan na lang niya. So, chances are, puwedeng sabihin nating recreational drugs nga ito or something that kind of what they're doing in the past. Um, what? It can be mahilig sila mag-travel in the past as well. Ngayon parang gusto nilang ibalik or baka gusto din naman nilang ibalik yung kanilang singlehood, yung kanilang freedom, 'no? One thing's for sure, there is something happened here in the past na gusto niyang ma-experience muli or ma-experience muli, 'no? Or it can be a person, someone from the past na gustong bumalik sa buhay niya pero may mapilit. It can also be an ex in here. With the Three of Pentacles and the Page of Cups. So, ang nakikita natin dito, the Three of Pentacles, medyo um, pinag-iisipan niya kung your person's going to give up the relationship. So, medyo you might be in a rocky situation with your person na, no? But with the Page of Cups, or might gonna continue, no? This, kung ano man itong kanilang kinalolokohan ngayon. So, with the Page of Pentacles, the Five of Wands, and the Five of Cups, nakakapanghinayang naman talaga, no? Kasi ang nakikita natin dito, parang si person ay um, nakakapanghinayang lang. Para kasing si person ang gumagawa ng dahilan bakit kayo nag-aaway ngayon. And there must be something that you probably have an idea with what your person is doing. It can be um, that your person is also flirting or talking to someone, no? Um, behind your back, with the Hermit and the World card. So, parang medyo magkakaroon naman 'to ng enlightenment, pero not actually, it could not be this year. So, mahaba-haba pa itong, tatakbuhin, 'no? Parang i-stretch yung ating patience, nito ni person, bago siya makakita ng enlightenment at bago siya baguhin niya yung sarili niya, 'no? Um, yeah, let's check your person's zodiac sign. Pero bago po yan, kung meron kayong mga katanungan, no, or nakaka-resonate kayo sa reading na ito, there is a link sa description box ng video na ito. So you might wanna click on that. You will be routed to my website. So nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Again, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Aquarius, so Virgo, Pisces, Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, Cancer, Capricorn. I am seeing Sagittarius. So, yan po ang inyong reading. Maraming
Predicting
salamat.
future is my
Love and light to
purpose.
you.
Even the
Namaste.
stars
See you po
align.
sa susunod na
I
video.
am definitely on